My name's Lenny Zaleski, and I'm a sophomore communication and political science major here at the University of Dayton, and I am originally from Chicago. I currently intern for the local government as a public affairs intern with the City of Dayton Human Relations Council, and on campus I am really involved and love to stay involved here. I am currently the Community Service Chair for Phi Beta Chi, the Honors Communication Fraternity, Vice President of Public Relations Student Society of America, and also a project lead at Flyer Consulting, a student-run business consulting firm. There are so many reasons that I chose my major at the University of Dayton. I think the first one is the hands-on applied learning I get to do as both a communication and a political science major. There are so many really cool opportunities to do experiential learning at the University of Dayton, whether that's summer internships with programs like DC Flyers or the State House Civic Scholars, which I participated in last semester, or getting experience at student-run firms and organizations on campus, such as Flyer News or Flyer PR, and the just totally amazing opportunities to stay involved on campus with our majors and really connect with alumni who work in the fields that we want to work in. I would say my favorite thing about my major is the faculty and staff. There are just so many amazing professors, lecturers, and staff who work in both the communication and political science offices to really make sure that students are supported and get to learn outside of the classroom and engage with their communities. And the professors are really willing to meet students to help them do research, look for internships, look for jobs, and really support their learning holistically, not just in the 50-minute or hour-and-a-half classes that we have.